What to wear visiting temples in Thailand. I'm Chris, this is Yellow Productions. I do travel guides that are fun, informative, and entertaining. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you what you need to wear if you're coming to Thailand and you want to visit temples like this. They have a fairly strict dress code, and typically that dress code is to cover your shoulders and to cover your knees. And so you might say to yourself, hey, well, what if I want to wear shorts but be able to cover my knees? Well, if you're a guy, then there's actually, these great convertible pants like this that you can like zip on and zip off. So I would highly recommend these. And actually, I was joined on this trip by my friend Chris, who's gonna come up here, and this is such a good idea coming to Thailand. He has been to Thailand like 5 different times, and you can see we're actually wearing the same exact sort. We did not coordinate this all, same color, and we could like share pant legs or something like that too. So if you're a guy, definitely consider one of these things. Thank you very much, Chris. If you're a girl, then long skirts are pretty good. Long skirts will get you down to your legs. You don't want to wear tank tops, no short skirts, no short shorts, nothing with holes in it, nothing revealing, nothing see-through. Don't wear that sheer shirt with you. And some temples, some places in Thailand might even require you to cover your elbows. And if that's the case, then you should just bring like a small shirt or a sarong often. And so you might say, well, hey, what if I have shorts and I didn't buy a convertible? What can I do? Well, many temples that are strict and enforce those things will let you borrow either a skirt, which is typically fine for men, or a sarong that you can use to cover yourselves up. If you're going to the Royal Temple, though, in Bangkok, you'll probably want to bring these things yourself because it can be a line often of an hour to get those things from the temple. So bring it yourself and be prepared. And you will want shorts because it's hot in Thailand. And in the 3 minutes I've been doing this video, I'm melting. And one thing I've noticed in a lot of these temples, if you look this way, and it makes me feel like I want to do, you actually see a lot of dogs like this that are just out here, and they're just passed out from the heat. So that's kind of how I feel right now. I have some footwear suggestions for you for Thai temples as well. Wear shoes that are easy to slip off, and in this case, to slip on, slip off, because you'll be going in these temples and you have to take your shoes off to go in many of them. You will also want socks, because where you take your shoes off are places that it's sunny, so thick socks so that you're not standing on something that's cooking your feet, right? In the 90-degree Fahrenheit or 30-degree Celsius temperatures, that your feet will get really hot and burned if you don't have socks. Don't wear those knee-high boots that you have to sit down to put them on, because there's typically no place to sit down. One more attire thing, and this is a kind of attire, is the stuff that you bring your things in. A lot of pickpockets around these temples because there's a lot of tourists. So if you have a backpack, don't wear it behind you. Actually wear it in front of you. That way you can see all your stuff. Or bring bags that have zippers and things like that people just can't reach into and grab your stuff out of it. So of course, Topher was wondering, well, what about him? Can he go into the temples? And, although it's a tuxedo, it's a built-in tuxedo. He's not covering his knees and he's not covering his shoulders. We'd have to get him a better cover. So what do we do to bring Topher in? Well, just like I said, you have a sarong to cover yourselves up. Well, Topher, we cover his shoulders and his knees right here. It's perfect. Topher, you're ready to go in the temple. Wait, maybe Topher wants to go in this way. And if you're watching this video for the first time and you're wondering, why is this guy carrying a stuffed panda around? It's because I'm Chris, he's Topher. Together we make Christopher. We travel everywhere around the world. There you go, Topher. You're ready to go in the temple now. And so are you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you out when you're visiting Thailand. Now you know what to wear and you know what not to wear. I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in the next video. Which ones? Some more videos on Thailand. Click any of them to watch. Find links in the description below.